Morning, Bhakta Vidyashram. This is the second session of yoga. Today we are going to perform the 4 asanas in the standing position. The first one is Tadasana, Pada Hasta Asana, Ardha Sakrasana, Trikonasana. So let me start our asanas. The first asana is Tadasana. The benefits of this asana is it will stretch your posterior nerves in the body and it will increase your balancing workout. Slowly keep your legs to the shoulder level and raise your hands. Hold your both fingers and slowly raise your heel. Tuck your core. Normal breathe in and breathe out. And slowly come down. Try to hold for 15 or 30 seconds. And you can do this asana into 4 sets. Is Pada Hastasana. This Pada Hastasana will stretch your posterior low back, your gluteus buttocks muscle and hamstring back thigh muscle and your popliteal muscle, calf muscle, gastrocnemius, heel ligaments. So it will reduce your low back pain and glute pain. The hamstring issue. Anybody have hamstring tear means kindly don't do this asana. If anybody have tear in knee ligaments in posterior or any calf tear is there means kindly avoid this asana. Do gently raise your hands up. Raise your hands up and slowly go down, go down, go down and take your inside hand rest to under of the foot. Hold there while going down, exhale, normal breathe in and breathe out. Relax and slowly come back with raising the hands. Welcome to third asana, Ardha Sakrasana. This Sakrasana going to perform by raising our hands slowly and rotate your shoulder and with the help of inner rest, slowly keep your rest on the gluteus minimus and slowly bend back. So this asana will help to stretch your core muscles, rib muscles and neck muscles in the posterior. So it will increase your digestive system. Welcome to fourth asana. This is Trikonasana. Stand in shoulder level. Confirm your balance and take wider your leg. One is rear leg and another one is lean leg. Take your lean leg foot towards to the lateral side and slowly raise your hands. And slowly bend down towards the lean leg. Hold that position and keep your face facing front side. Slowly come up and turn your foot and come to the shoulder level position. Look straight normal breathe in and breathe out and relax. It will stretch your IT band, gluteus minimus, quadratus lumbar, latissimus dorsi, peroneus longus. Majorly it will stretch your tensor fasciae lata and your latissimus dorsi. So this much of muscles will stretch in one asana. Kindly do it and grab your flexibility components by doing these 4 asanas. Thank you.